Population density, what is it? Number of individuals in a species per unit area. We are talking about area, we are considering an area and how many people are present over there, that is population density. It is designated as N. We call population density as N. Calculation of population density, how do we calculate it? For example, if it is a fish, the number of fish caught per trap. We cannot actually count one fish, how many fishes are there. So that's a quite tacky thing, and like it's not possible to do that. So what is happening is that for calculating the number of fishes which are there, so what do? In one trap, how many fishes we get? We determine it as the population density for the fish. For the tiger, on the basis of the pug marks which we get, on the basis of the fecal petals that we get, on that basis we determine the number of tiger which is there, the population density for the tigers. The size of population which keeps on changing depends on the various factors. What are those? Food availability, yes. Predation pressure, yes. How, like who is predating, from where it will predate, so you have to protect them yourself. Weather conditions over a particular period of time, all these things are there. Fluctuations in population density is due to the changes in 4 basic processes. Now when we talk about population density, 4 basic terminologies are used, 4 basic processes are there. What are those? First is natality. So the birth rate that we were talking about, it is referred as natality. Number of birth during a given period in the population that is added to the initial population, it is natality. So number of births is natality. Second is mortality, which refers to the number of deaths over a particular area, particular time if we talk about, so it is mortality. Next is immigration. Immigration means number of individuals of the same species that had come into the habitat. How many individuals have entered that habitat, that is immigration. And what is emigration? How many individuals have gone from that population, it is emigration. Now how do we represent the population density? You can see NT plus 1. Like if I'm taking the basic time t, okay, then the population density at time t is referred as NT. Then NT plus 1, it is the population density at time t plus 1, suppose. Then what is B? B is birth rate, I is immigration, D is death rate, E is emigration. So the formula for the population density, it will be NT plus 1 is equals to NT plus total number of individuals like which have born or which have come into that habitat minus the number of individuals who have died or who have gone from that habitat. This is referred as your population density. Population density will increase if the number of births plus the number of immigrants is more than the number of deaths plus the number of immigrants. Otherwise, it will decrease. Obviously, more number of people are coming, more number of people are being born, so the population density will increase less rather than people getting died or moving away from the habitat. So, this is the situation. Population growth models. Now, what are these? The model can be used to predict the growth of a population with time. So there are 2 models. First is exponential, second is logistic.